Hello, you lovely lot. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we're diving headfirst into a dish that is pure comfort, pure nostalgia, and pure deliciousness. We're making Dahi Vada, those gorgeous, soft, spongy lentil dumplings that are lovingly soaked in a creamy, dreamy yogurt sauce, and then drizzled with a sweet and tangy tamarind chutney. Honestly, just thinking about it makes my mouth water. It's the kind of dish that transports you straight to a bustling street market in India, or a family celebration filled with laughter and the clatter of plates. It's a symphony of textures and flavors, soft, creamy, sweet, sour, and just a little bit spicy. It's a real showstopper. This recipe for Dahi Vada with tamarind chutney might seem like it has a few steps, but trust me, each one is incredibly simple. Right then, let's get all our lovely ingredients gathered up. Having everything ready to go, or what the fancy chefs call mise en place, makes the whole process so much calmer. First up, for our beautiful vadas, you'll need 1 cup of urad dal, which are those little split and skinned black lentils. You'll also need a small piece of ginger, about 1 inch, and a couple of green chilies, but you can adjust that depending on how much of a kick you like. A pinch of asafoetida, or hing, is a must for that authentic flavour, and of course some salt to taste. And we'll need some vegetable oil for frying. Next, for that luscious, creamy yogurt mixture that smothers our vadas, you'll want to get a nice big tub of plain, full-fat yogurt, about 2 cups worth. To sweeten it up just a little bit, we'll need a couple of tablespoons of sugar and a pinch of salt to balance the sweetness. Now, for my favourite part, the sweet and tangy tamarind chutney. You'll need about half a cup of seedless tamarind block and about half a cup of jaggery for that gorgeous, deep sweetness. For the spices, grab half a teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, a pinch of ginger powder, and black salt for its unique flavour. Finally, the jewels on top, our garnishes. Fresh coriander leaves and vibrant pomegranate seeds that look like little rubies scattered on top. The journey to perfect Dahi Vadas begins the night before. Take your urad dal, give it a really good rinse under cold running water until the water runs clear. Pop it in a large bowl, cover with plenty of fresh water, making sure there's at least a couple of inches above the lentils, as they will swell up quite a bit. This step is non-negotiable. It's what will give us that light, fluffy texture we're after. Once your dal has had its long, relaxing bath, it's time to drain it completely. Pop it into a blender along with your ginger and green chilies. Here's a crucial tip. We want to grind this into a thick, smooth batter using as little water as possible. The batter should be thick, fluffy, and almost cloud-like. Add salt and asafoetida, then whisk vigorously for 5 minutes to incorporate air. To check if your batter is ready, do the float test. If it floats straight to the top, you've nailed it. Now for the fun part, frying. Heat your vegetable oil in a deep pan over medium heat. Wet your hands, shape the batter into small, slightly flattened balls, and carefully slide into hot oil. Don't overcrowd the pan. Fry until they are a beautiful, even golden brown on all sides, turning them gently. For ultimate softness, give them another soak in lukewarm salt water for 15 to 20 minutes. You'll see them plump up and become incredibly soft. With our beautiful vadas resting, let's turn our attention to the creamy, dreamy yogurt. Take your thick, plain yogurt and place it in a mixing bowl. We want it silky smooth with no lumps, so give it a really good whisk until it's the consistency of double cream. Add your sugar and a pinch of salt. Keep whisking until the sugar has completely dissolved. Have a little taste. You can adjust the sweetness to your liking. Next up, the tamarind chutney. If using a tamarind block, soak it in hot water for 30 minutes, then mash with your fingers to extract the pulp. Strain it through a sieve to get rid of any fibers or seeds. Pour this tamarind water into a saucepan over medium heat. Add your jaggery and stir until it dissolves completely. Once simmering, add the roasted cumin powder, red chili powder, ginger powder, and that all-important black salt. Let it bubble gently for 5 to 7 minutes. The chutney will become glossy and syrupy, thick enough to coat the back of a spoon. Turn off the heat and let it cool completely. All right, lovely people, this is the moment we've all been waiting for, the grand assembly. All our components are ready. Arrange your soaked and gently squeezed Vadas in a single layer at the bottom of your serving dish. Give them a little breathing room. Take your beautifully whisked sweetened yogurt and pour it generously all over the Vadas. Be liberal with it. You want to completely submerge them. Let the dish sit for at least 30 minutes in the refrigerator. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld together. Just before serving, drizzle your cooled tamarind chutney artfully over the top. You can do zigzag swirls or little dollops here and there. Sprinkle over your roasted cumin powder and a light dusting of red chili powder for that classic look and pop of color. Scatter over your vibrant green coriander leaves and a generous handful of bright red pomegranate seeds. They add wonderful juicy crunch and sweetness. And there you have it, a spectacular homemade Dahi Vada with tamarind chutney that is guaranteed to make you and your loved ones drool. Take your spoon and cut through the layers. Make sure you get everything, the Vada, yogurt, chutney and pomegranate seeds. It's pure joy in a bowl. Thank you so much for joining me in my kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to the channel, like it, share your valuable comments, and share it in social groups which will motivate us to deliver more delicious recipes.